Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. In this video, we'll be seeing how to write a Java code to print this pattern. This is the third video in the pattern programming series in Java. So we'll start. This is the pattern what we are expected to print. It's 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means it's just printing the numbers in descending order. Now, if again we'll try to understand what is the relationship and how this pattern can get generated out of our code. So the first thing we'll do, we'll check how many rows we have. We have a total of 5 rows. So I'm setting rows to 5. And we also have 5 columns. So I'm setting columns to 5. So now we'll try to understand what is the relationship. Now here, when we have I, for the first row, we have 1 column. For the second row, we have 2 columns. For the third row, we have 3 columns and so on. So this is the relationship. But if we notice, what is getting printed is not printing from 1, but it is not printing the numbers in the ascending order. Instead, it's printing it in the descending order. So we are beginning from 5, then we go to 5, 4, then 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So unlike the previous video that we saw, we are supposed to begin from 5 and move up to 1. Whereas in the previous video, we began from 1 and then moved up to 5. So this is what we need to understand before we proceed with the code. And the code for this pattern is this one. So we can see here I have 2 loops. The outer for loop, I am iterating it from 5 to 1. And since we are going downwards, we are decrementing the value of I. Now for the inner loop, the condition is from 5 up to the row number. As we can see, we have for each, according to the row number, we have the number of columns. For row 1, we have 1 column. For row 2, we have 2 columns and so on. So I have begun from 5 up to the row number. And then we are printing the value. So what we are printing is J. So, and then we are printing a space because the numbers are space separated. You could also print a tab. And then once each row is completed, we would be printing a new line. So we'll see how this works. Initially the value of I is 5. The control moves inside. The value of J becomes 5. It comes inside and it prints J. So we are printing 5. And then it prints a space. Then J gets decremented, so it becomes 4. And it checks for this condition if J is greater than equal to I. I is 5 and J is 4. So 4 is not greater than equal to 5. So it comes out of the inner loop. It prints a new line. And it goes back to the outer for loop. Now the value of I gets decremented, which is 4. 4 is greater than equal to 1, so it moves inside the loop. Now this again begins from 5. So we can see why we have written this, because in each row the numbers are getting printed beginning from 5. So that's the reason we have taken the inner loop for J beginning from 5 up to I. And that is the reason we have started I also from 5. In this case, we would not be able to begin it from 1 for this logic that we have applied. So now I has become 4 and J begins from 5. So it comes inside and it prints the value of J, which is 5, and it prints a space. Now J gets decremented, so the value of J now becomes 4. 4 and I is also 4. So 4, if it will check for the condition if J is greater than equal to I, which is 4 greater than equal to 4, which is true. So it comes inside and it prints J. The current value of J is 4. It will print the value and it will print a space. Again it moves inside and J gets decremented, which becomes 3. I is 4, J is 3. 3 is not greater than equal to 4. So the condition becomes false. It comes out of the inner for loop. It prints a new line and then it goes back to the outer for loop. And so this will continue up to till the value of I becomes 1. So it would print the pattern as 543, 5432 and 54321. So this is one way of writing the code for this pattern. There could be any other method as well. So hope you all have understood how to write a code to print this pattern in Java. If you all liked the video, do like and share the video with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to the channel. If you all have any doubts regarding this concept or any other concept, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.